This tank can fire a shell the size of your arm in seconds, hit targets you can't even see, and survive attacks from missiles and drones. This is the German Panther KF-51, the most insane tank Germany has ever built. And today, we're going inside it. In this video, you'll see how this beast works, from its monster gun, to its drone launching secrets, to the crazy tech that keeps it alive when everything is trying to blow it up. The main gun is a 130mm cannon. That's 50% more powerful than most tanks in the world. It's loaded by a robot arm called an autoloader, which means it can fire 3 shots in 16 seconds. That's so fast enemies won't even know what hit them. But this isn't just about firepower. The KF-51 can literally see through itself. Cameras give the crew a 360-degree view, even in the dark. And when it needs extra eyes, it launches drones into the sky. These drones can spy on enemies, or turn into flying bombs that strike from above. Getting hit is not an option, so the Panther has 3 layers of defense. First, thick armor to stop normal shells. Second, explosive armor that fights back. Third, a high-tech shield that shoots down missiles in mid-air. And it's even protected from drones attacking from above. Basically, it's like fighting a tank wrapped in a force field. You'd think all this makes it slow. Nope. It is actually lighter than many tanks, which means it is faster. A massive 1,500 horsepower engine pushes it to 70 kilometers an hour. Inside, it only needs 3 people to run it, plus 1 extra seat for a drone or systems operator. And here's the craziest part. The new version has no crew in the turret at all. The whole thing can be controlled from the hull. And in the future, it could even be driven remotely, or run by AI without humans inside. The Panther KF-51 isn't just a tank. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare. Faster, smarter, deadlier. And now you know exactly how it works, and why its engineering is completely insane. If you want to stay ahead of the tech curve, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join me for more crazy tech stories.